Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye and I'm also known as NdiNaija. Ja, 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 eh. I love to dance. Yo, this is the first of my Black Friday stuff from Erin Condren. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. My name is Nkonye. I love planner-related products because I am chasing my goals and my American dream. My American dream, yes. So on Black Friday, and actually a couple of days before that, Erin Condren started a 30% off sale. Erin Condren is a paper products company, which I love. I use their planners. I use it to organize my life, along with a bunch of other things. So, if you're familiar with EC, these two are reusable bags. And I'm not sure if this print is new. This is the Christmas/winter print. And if you go to the store and purchase anything over $50, I believe, you'll get a bag for free. And then with the Black Friday/Christmas winter celebration, you get an extra bag. So normally you would get, say, in this print, and I think because it was winter, Christmas, new season, we got this print as well. Let's start with the bigger bag. It works because you don't need to mess with any plastic bags or anything. You have this reusable bag. First thing I got was this grocery list. I have been trying to get better with my inventorying and grocery purchases and just writing stuff down. And it really helps when you don't have to write down every single week all the stuff that you have to buy. If you already have your pre-formatted list, you just write the number in that you need every week and boom, you're done. This has 40 sheets. I have a feeling that it's 20, but I haven't actually counted. So maybe let me go count it and I will come right back. All right. So this grocery list has 25 sheets and it was $4.99. If I recall, I don't remember the price. I got another set of take note productivity sheets for my binder. And it looks like they've made the holes even smaller. No. I just wish they would keep it round instead of having it be the same size as the regular coiled life planner holes. That's what that is. And this is the insert, normally $10. And I bought a bag. Yes, I like this size of bags. I have very large bags. I usually carry very large bags, but I've been wanting a smaller bag. So when the original EC bags came out, I didn't get one because I already had big bags like it. But I wanted something smaller that was more of a throw around, if you would say. So I got this. It looks great. Apparently the strap that you purchase with it comes inside the bag. The rest of them, you have to purchase the straps separately. Oh, so it was a separate purchase, but it comes inside the bag. I guess they're expecting you would want the bag with the same strap anyway. And I also got the kaleidoscope strap, which is gorgeous. I mean, look at this kaleidoscope, y'all. Very true to color. I mean, this is the binder. Very true to color. Can you see that? Can y'all see that? Can you? Look, people, color, understand, beauty. I like all of it. This bag is empty. Last thing that's inside this is a daily binder. Yes, I bought a daily Erin Condren binder. So now I have a horizontal binder, and all of these are colorful, a horizontal binder, a deluxe monthly binder, and a regular binder. I might have two binders. Or not. Or do I? Anywho, But this is a daily EC binder, and I don't. Oh, this is interesting. I don't normally get receipts. Oh, I got a refund because I wanted to put the year on it. I wanted to put 2020, and they said it would cost me $5.41, and I thought it came with the binder. Anyway, I might eventually get that or not. I'm not sure. So this is the binder. You get the binder. When you get the binder and inserts, it's cheaper than buying the inserts separately. So you just get all of them: January to March, April to June, July to September, and October to December. And when I got those in store, they gave me this packet, which contains the petite folio, or the petite, the calendar that comes at the back of the life planners. So I got that, and all of it came in this packet, along with this ruler, divider, some journaling cards, gift tags, and I'm not sure if the coupon is in here, but it's essentially the packet for the life planner. So I got one of those. I think I'll do a proper review and comparison on this. If you guys want to see it, just please leave me a comment down below. All right. Next, we have the stuff that's in the winter bag. So I got a set of pens to replenish these are the pens I use mostly. I should have gotten one red, actually. But I typically use blues, more blues than blacks, but occasionally I get into a season where I want to just use all black pen. So that's that. I've got a set of pens. And when you are in store, you can curate a set of pens. And I think someone was supposed to write my name. I forgot to ask. I got a wine-colored folio. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I didn't have enough cash to buy the other ones that I wanted, i.e. the mustard and the navy with stars, but this will suffice for now. And then I got, let's bring the rest of it out. Oh, this is the free stuff. Okay. So there was some more free stuff. So I got this lovely, I guess it's a dot grid notebook, and it's in the peacock print, and it has gold foiling, y'all. Look at that. And then some gift tags. Lovely. These will be very, very useful. So you have, how many? 12 gift tags. Set includes 4 metallic gold, 4 platinum, and 4 rose gold. Nice. Very, very nice. This is very useful, especially this time of year. I got a daily priorities, what is this? A daily priorities notepad, and it comes in doubles. These will go in my half-letter notebook, my half-letter disc-bound notebook. I'm going to punch it and put it in the notebook, and it's the perfect size. Another set of the metallic hexagon sticker pack. And I got these monthly tabs. I intend on using these in when I put together my disc-bound notebook, which will include these. And I'll typically use them on weekends. I have the one I have now has my church notebook in it, and random notes, which I used to run around. So that's what that is for. Next, I got a set of daily petite planners. All of these belong to my cousin, to whom I shall be gifting the 2020 petite folio. So that's going to her along with these daily planners. And I love, she likes the planners, but I love that I can also add more petite planners or petite notebooks in there for her. I think I'll add one, and maybe one of the hardbound notebooks, so that she can carry them around, and you can have all your stuff together. So you can have 4 different notebooks. You could have a daily planner, you could have a gratitude planner, you could have the habit tracking notebook, and you can have the goals planner all together in one. But this is her Christmas gift which she already knows about, so it's not a secret. And she'll also get these page markers so that they will go in there. And next I got a folio insert, organizer insert, to go with the petite folio. It's over there. And next I got the designer sticker book. And this is the monthly collection edition 5. I love, love, love to get these. I used to use them to decorate my power sheets, and I might use it to decorate my goal spread this year, or might just have my cousin use it. That would mean I have to get another one. I'm not sure because I don't decorate my petite planners very elaborately. I do not. But that's the haul, y'all. Happy holiday. I like saying that. That is the haul. That is the haul. Bought a bunch of stuff, and all of it is useful. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Appreciate you for watching. If this is your first time, please hit the like button, which should be down over here. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so that you'll get notifications every time I post a video. Thanks for joining me. Oh, and if you want to purchase any Erin Condren products and you want to get $10 off your first order with a new email address, hit my link down below. It's bit.ly/EC NdiNaija. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.